Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make my very best-selling ring. Let's begin. Cut 9 centimeters of a 2mm aluminium wire, straighten it out, and then we're going to take the pliers and curve each end. So using your pliers, bend a little S bend on each end. I have made so many versions of this ring and mostly with pearls, and they are a super seller. We're going to hammer the ends of the wire on an anvil. My little sad iron does the job, and the wire is soft, so it's easy to hammer. Hammer a few millimeters into the S, so I'd say about 3-4 mil will do it. Now you're going to wrap that band around your ring mandrel to the size you want with the loops, those S's now overlapping to make a little open area. This is a size 7 ring if you're needing to adjust the length of your wire. Push those flat ends overlapping over the ring band wire so that there's an overlap on each side, and then just tap with your hammer to set them in place. Now you're going to take your pliers and curl those flattened ends around to fit around the ring band. Do this on both sides and take your pliers and squeeze it in so that it fits nicely onto the wire. And just squeeze it onto the wire so that this can't come undone, and make sure there's enough of a little gap for your decorative beads later on. You can adjust that S a little bit if you need to. If you want a larger area for the decoration, then just make more of a loop. So more of an oval shape than a little gap. It's all up to you, but this is the basic design which you can adjust to your beads, to your wires, and it's very versatile. Tap it on your ring mandrel with a metal hammer just to set the curve and the wires, and you can also texture that wire. I'm using the sharp end of my hammer and just putting little marks into it. It gives it more of a rustic look and not quite so wiry looking. I always check to see how it fits as I work my way through a ring. For reselling, if you're selling these rings at markets or online, I found that the pearls were the most popular, but then that depends on your customers and you will know what they like best. Now cut about 20 centimeters of 0.4 millimeter wire and anchor it onto the one side of the opening. Thread your beads onto the wire and then anchor it onto the other side, twisting it round and round the end wires so that it is secure. This is a lovely, easy little ring to make. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and take great care of yourselves. You're very special. Bye-bye.